Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the video. So in this video we're going to take a look at duplicating animation cells. So normally there's no fast way that comes with Clip Studio to duplicate the animation cells, but I found a cool way and I turn it into auto action so I can do it automatically. I made this auto action here. I'll show you how after, but I made it here, duplicate raster cell. That's how I named it. So you can just click it and see what happens. I got a new one, but instead of being empty, it actually created the cell. Like you just copied it, right? So what that's good for is that you can actually go here and say move it. I put the onion skin on so I can see what the previous one was, and then I can maybe just transform it. Maybe like starts falling or something, right? So you can do stuff like that without having to redraw too much, and you can say place this here. Now I want a new frame, and it's super fast. See, like just like one click, and then you can keep moving like that. So for certain animations, that's really useful if you want to keep copying certain things. So Clip Studio doesn't have a button or anything like that. Like you can do it automatically. Normally, right? So but I made this auto action, and that makes it like that, as if I have a button, and I can always make that into a shortcut. So I just press a button and one click, and I make that. It's like clicking here to make a new layer. So it's super useful. All right, so let me show you how I did it, and then this can be useful to get maybe you can come up with other stuff, right? Maybe that I haven't thought of. So yeah, this will kind of teach you some other things about the way animation folders work. So I'm gonna use this image, this grass here, just to show how this works. So normally when you create a new animation cell, this happens. You just get a blank cell or layer, but if the layer is actually an image material, so the image materials has this icon here, so you can see, and you get this frame, and you can change it like that. This is like when you import a picture. So this is called like image material, and you cannot edit it, you cannot draw on them, anything like that. So when you create a new one and the folder has this inside, it will create another one of the same. So I don't know why it's like that. Maybe didn't mean it to be like that, but that's what it does. But now what you can do is so I did this whole process where I did that, and then you can rasterize. So you go here, rasterize, and then now they're normal layers again. So I did all of that as an action, right? So now I can actually draw on this, right? So I'm gonna show you just step by step what the auto action does, and you have the auto action. You can download it, and you just click a button, it's gonna do it. Or if you just want to do it yourself, I'm gonna show you how now. First thing is that you have the image. So I have this, a circle. What I do is I go to convert layer into image material, right? So now I have one of these. I just turn it into an image material, which means I can have this frame and everything, right? And then I go here, create new animation cell. So I duplicate it. Now I have two of the same, and then what I can do is rasterize them again, bring them back to rasterize, and now that I have those two frames. And then also something I do, I go for this, rename in layer order, because when you turn into image material, see how you get like a weird name, like 1 2 1 3 and 1, it keeps going like that. So I just go here again, and now I rename it. So it does that instantly with the auto action, which is pretty cool. So it just looks like you press a button. Like I have this, I go here, and it does all of that automatically because it's an auto action. So I can just keep doing that. So that's gonna be it for the video. See you in the next one. Bye.